Let me show you some emails and the work which I received from Pepperfry so that you can have an idea the way they proceed with your application and the kind of assignment you're going to get. Hey everyone, if you ask me what is the easiest way to start as a freelancer and start earning money online, I would say content writing. Because that is how I started earning money online as a beginner. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what is content writing, how can you become a content writer, where do you get work, how much you should charge as a content writer. I'm going to tell you 2 websites from where you can get work and start earning money online. In fact, one of these websites is the website from where I get work from. So you can easily earn 500 to 1000 rupees per article if you have a flair for writing. If you want to know more, be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So before I begin, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the new updates related to my videos. Now, content writing is a work where you write article or content on a particular topic and you get paid for it. You get paid on the basis of per word per paisa. So suppose you get 1 rupees per word, and if you write 500 word article, you get 500 rupees for that article. Rates can vary depending upon your experience, depending upon your qualification, depending upon your writing skills. So rates can definitely vary. Now, to become a content writer, you don't have to be extremely good in English or writing. You just need fair knowledge of English, and you should be good with grammar. Grammatical mistakes are not acceptable. Plagiarism is strictly not allowed. So you cannot copy paste any other's work here. So you have to write it in your own words. I strongly recommend using Grammarly if you want to begin as a content writer. See, in today's world, you should do smart work. So you should know how to utilize the available resources. To become a content writer, the first step is writing your own sample. So I'll let you know where to apply, but the first thing you have to do is to prepare your own sample article. So you have to decide your genre first. It can be technology, it can be lifestyle, it can be parenting, it can be academic, depending upon your area of interest, where you feel you can give more, you can give some interesting work. So after deciding your genre, you have to write 250 word article, and then you have to upload that article wherever you apply, because on whatever website you're going to apply, they are going to ask you for a sample article. Remember one thing, this sample is going to be a major factor in deciding what you get per word for your article writing. So while writing, do not use very difficult words. Try to make it interesting and compelling. Once you have written your sample article, the next comes where to apply and where to get work from. So let me tell you where I have my account. Pepperfry is a website where I have account, and recently I have got 2-3 assignments, although I could not accept it because I already have a lot on my plate. So it's a proof that this is a legitimate website. So you can also apply here. They might ask you to select 2 or more genres. I do not remember because I did it long back. Once they approve your application, and here also you'll have to upload a sample article. So once they approve your application, if they like your sample, they will offer you some rate per word. I have experience of content writing, so I negotiated with them. If you are a beginner, anything above 20 paisa would be okay to start with. Also remember one thing, that you will have to do some research before writing articles if you are a beginner. So be prepared for that and negotiate well with them. See, first you'll have to gain some experience. Later on, you can always revise your rate and apply on a number of platforms, because there is a huge potential and there are many opportunities in this field, particularly in content writing. If you get selected in Pepper Content, they will send you e-contract and you will have to e-sign it. They will send you contract on email and you will have to e-sign it. I signed that contract in October and I got my first assignment in February. So I would recommend you that do not rely on only one website. Go for various platforms, apply everywhere and start working wherever you get work. Let me show you some emails and the work which I received from Pepperfry so that you can have an idea the way they proceed with your application and the kind of assignment you're going to get. These are the mails that I received from Pepperfry when I applied there. So the next one which I'm going to tell you is Writerbay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it in a correct way or not, but I guess yeah, it's a Writerbay. This is the platform for those who has some kind of a degree. Okay, so if you have expertise in some subjects, for example natural science or business management or English literature, this platform is good for those people. So the rates here varies from $4 per page to $20 per page. These are the available subjects. So if you are good in any of these subjects, if you have good knowledge of these subjects, you should apply here because the chances are that you get good amount of work here. When you apply here, you will have to upload a sample, but not of your choice. They are going to give you topic of their own choice based on your application, based on your qualification. You will be appearing for a quick grammar test also. So once your application is approved, you can see the available writing jobs there, their deadline and the amount you are going to get when you complete these jobs. So this website is more like those question and answer solving websites. I have made videos on several websites where you can solve question and answers and you can earn good amount of money. So this is a similar kind of a work. In this website you are going to get a content related to particular subject, and once you solve those assignment, whatever is the assignment, you're going to get the money along with the deadline. Obviously you will have a deadline to do that. Another way to find out content writing jobs are Facebook group. So if you type freelancer content writing on FB, you will see many groups. You can join any of these. When I was beginner, I used to get work from those groups, but be alert, there are scammers too. Content writing has a lot of potential. Once you start entering this field, you will discover many opportunities. Initially you may feel the amount is not much, but trust me, if you work for some months, maybe for 4 or 5 months, you will understand that you can really earn good amount of money here. So what are you thinking? Go ahead and start working as a content writer. That's it for today. If you like this video, do let me know in the comments. Share your feedback about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching me.